In this tutorial, I'll show you how templates in SessionLab can help your whole team work in a consistent, time-saving way, from planning sessions to collecting feedback. If you're an account owner or team lead, this is for you. So when you set up templates in your workspace, your colleagues can instantly use the same session design process you've built, your preferred needs assessment brief, your go-to agenda structure, and your feedback forms. And that means that every new session your team creates already follows your best practice format. The same questions, the same flow, the same level of quality, right from the start. So let's take a look at how it works. Templates in SessionLab let you package together pages, agendas, and forms into one repeatable workflow. It's how you turn your team's favorite session structure into something that anyone can use instantly. Here in the workspace, you can see some templates already set up. So let's open this one, our team training template. Inside, you can see that it includes everything your team needs to run a full session. So a needs assessment page, an agenda, and a feedback form all in one place. This setup means that whenever one of your colleagues clicks on Create from Template, they'll start with the same foundation. So your approved questions, your preferred agenda layout, and your feedback format. Templates like these help maintain consistency and quality across every session your team delivers. So let's look at a page, and in this case a needs assessment page. And this is where a facilitator begins by capturing the key details of their upcoming session, objectives, audience, key challenges, logistics, and some success criteria too. Now when a team member opens this page, they can fill in all those details before jumping into the agenda design. It's a structured way to ensure that everyone aligns on the goals and context before diving into content. The needs assessment page gives your team a shared starting point and ensures that every workshop or training begins with clarity and purpose. Next up is the agenda, and this is the heart of your template, a pre-structured session plan that your colleagues can quickly adapt for their own sessions. So here we can see that the agenda already includes key sections like a welcome and introduction, some core activities, and a wrap-up. And once I create my own session from a template, I can customize this to my needs, tweak some timings, swap an activity, or drag and drop blocks to match my flow. Using the AI assistant, I can further refine my session. So for example, I can ask some advice on what can be improved, or I can maybe add some energizers. Having a base agenda like this saves your team hours of setup time and helps them stay aligned with your tried and tested session design. Finally, let's look at the feedback form. Now after a session, your team can send this form to participants to collect structured feedback. It's already connected to the template, so it's ready to go, and it can be easily customized to suit your team's needs. By using the same feedback form across sessions, you can compare results, track improvements, and continually refine how your team delivers workshops and trainings. Now let's quickly see how you can create one of these templates yourself. First, create a session including the basic structure you'd like your colleagues to follow. Give it a name and add in as much detail or customization, such as category colors, as you would like. Then add your components, so a page for your needs assessment or workshop brief, and then a form for participant survey or post-session delivery feedback. You can then click on the export menu and choose which workspace to save the template in, and once saved, your template is ready for the whole team to use. I'll head back to my workspace, and the next time one of your colleagues creates a new session, they'll be able to see your best templates with your preferred needs assessment pages and feedback forms included. They'll simply pick your template and instantly get the full workflow you've designed. So to recap, by setting up templates in SessionLab that includes a needs assessment page, an agenda, and a feedback form, you're giving your team a complete, consistent framework from preparation to delivery to feedback.